This is Impressions at Secrets Moxché. Now, this is the room. I'm going to give you a really quick overview of this room, and then I'm going to go through the details. So, bathroom, bed, couch, amenity coffee area, and then the balcony. So let me run through this. So start with the bathroom. I really like double vanity sinks as always. The amenities that they include, shave, toothbrush, sunscreen, bug spray, and some regular lotion. So I really like that they add that amenity. You do have your makeup mirror here, which is a great addition. Your toilet room, your big, huge bathtub that you can soak in, and probably one of the biggest rain showers I have seen as far as the rain shower head goes. Excited about that. Shower, you have double closets here that you have some hanging space here. Your in-room safe to put all of your valuables in. So make sure to do that. And you have your closet with robes. Now in this level of category, you do have complimentary laundry. It takes 24 hours as steamer. So you have that included. Big bed, huge king bed, lights by it. And then you have your app here that's going to show you all of your amenities, your room service activities for the day, and other things that you might need. Big couch area, another sitting area. You have your Nespresso machine with all of your coffees. You have some little packaged snacks here, which are great. Sparkling water, as well as the regular water, and ice is just a text away from your butler. And you have Amstel Ultra, Coca Light, regular Coke, and some juices that are from local. This comes with 3 bottles of wine, well, a red wine, a white wine, and a Moet. And then out here on the balcony, guys, let me show you this view. Oh my gosh. Another big, huge tub area. Now your butlers will come and fill this up, which is really nice, and prepare it for you. Another great sitting area. And I'm going to show you, my room actually faces Moxche. Now this is another Moxche area. So you see right there, they have the beach area. It's a man-made lagoon beach area, and then another pool, and then more pool area. Back behind those shacks there are man-made cenotes, and then another pool, and then another pool, and then the beautiful beach. So this is your area to play in. There's also exclusive areas here at Impressions on this side, the butler side, that will make it a little bit more elevated of an experience for you.